Hi everybody, it is John C. Morley, serial entrepreneur here, and you're watching the JMOR Reviews channel. So we have a product to unbox and review. Whenever we have a product that is a simple unboxing, which is like 1 or 2 items, we don't actually do an unboxing and a review, we just do a review because it's just a very simple unboxing. All right, today we're going to unbox and review the ColorGalaxy Starlight Projector. Perfect if you have younger ones that can't fall asleep, or you just want something to help you fall asleep faster or maybe help you meditate. It's supposed to make nighttime magical. It's supposed to transform your home instantly into a star oasis. It's supposed to be a very simple key control. We're going to check this out. It's supposed to mesmerize you with the essence of a starry night in your home with a ColorGalaxy. It has a tilting LED projector that shines on your walls and ceiling and shows a cluster of star-like lasers against ethereal blue clouds, transforming the atmosphere instantly, or so they say. Choose from 3 brightness levels, plus projection and motion options with easy button controls for your personalized lighting experience. Okay, we'll have to just see. So it looks like they put 3 annoying pieces of tape. It looks like they're just little plastic discs. All right, what do you get in here? Well, you get a plug. Okay. So you get this little projector, they call it. And again, this time at least, they did give us something so you don't have to plug it into your computer. And most of the older computers, if you plug it into it, it'll probably cause a problem because it can't draw that much power. So we're going to go ahead and plug this in down here. So there is a charging port here right on the side. And it looks like there's a power button here. Let me turn the lights out. So there's our power, and you can see the power. So there is the moon. I can change, so I can set it so that it moves. So again, you have an on and off button, which I'll turn on again. There I have my stars. I can hit the middle button, which is going to give me my moon. If I turn the middle button off again, my moon goes away. The construction of this is really very poor. And I don't know. I don't think the stars are really that great. They don't even look like stars. I'm used to going to different planetariums, and this is definitely way different than the stars that you see when you're in a planetarium. I was expecting a real constellation. This is a big letdown, ladies and gentlemen. Big letdown. All right, let's turn this off. So let me give you my review on this. So the manufacturing, the construction quality, it's solid plastic. It does have a laser radiation warning, do not stare into the beam. I'm glad they have that there. And I don't know, it even makes a noise when you turn it on, so not really pleased about that either. So you can have it moving by basically pressing. So I see it was happening when we turned on the center, it actually moves around. We turned it off, the moon actually disappeared, but it stopped moving. Then you have a brightness control. I hate to do this to you guys, but this product, I don't know. I don't know what to give it, but I don't even really want to give it anything. I know I have to give it something. I gotta be honest, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna give it a 1. This thing is a toy, and I have to tell you, I gotta believe that this thing's probably not gonna last very long. You know, nowhere on here do they talk about the warranty or how long they will cover it. And you know they don't give you a phone number. They give you an email, which, by the way, ladies and gentlemen, is probably not even the United States. But when they say that it captures the mesmerizing essence of a starry night, there's no stars. They're just little tiny dots. 1.0, ladies and gentlemen. I would not buy this. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I am John C. Morley, serial entrepreneur. You've been watching the JMOR Reviews channel. And if you have a product, hopefully not like this one, that you would like me to unbox and review, and remember, we do a unboxing if there's more than 1 or 2 pieces in the box, more of a complex unboxing. If it's a simple unboxing, we'll do the review and unboxing all in one. You could send us the product and visit our website, contact us, and we'll let you know where to send it. You will have to send it prepaid freight. In addition to that, you're also gonna have to donate the product to us. And remember, if for whatever reason you're sending us something and it's a lemon and you're expecting me to make it into lemonade, don't, because I'm gonna expose the product for the true truth that it is, just like I did with this. I think that's the lowest that I've ever given a product in all my reviews for a very long time, a 1. I don't know if I'm ever gonna give something anything worse than that. I think if the thing actually smoked, caught on fire, or maybe smelled bad, maybe I would have given the 0.5 or maybe even a 0 because I don't think you want to touch it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, if you're valuing this content, go over to Envision Networking or any one of my other channels, including John C. Morley, Serial Entrepreneur on YouTube, and make sure, ladies and gentlemen, that you smash that bell notification icon when you're watching this video. You click the subscribe button, helps us out with YouTube and the algorithm. And below every video, there's a link that says help keep our content free. Click on that link, and you can choose to give $1 or more one time, or schedule it to happen multiple times over the course of a year. Ladies and gentlemen, I am John C. Morley, serial entrepreneur. It gives me great pride, great pleasure, and a great honor to be here with you today. And again, 1.0. There are much better products, I'm sure, out there, and we're gonna have to review one of them. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll be back real soon with another great video.